Thunderbolts on three! 1, 2, 3, Thunderbolts!
We get 2 games here. But if we win, we play again tonight.
Defense!
Go, D! Stay on it. Rebound. Let it go. All right, let's go. You gotta go.
Wave your triggers quicker.
Rebound. Get in there. Good job, Olivia. Stop the ball. Nice, man. Get active hands.
Defense!
Foul. Jose, just move your feet. Go, guys. Rebound. Let it go. All right, let's go, bro.
JT trigger.
Jose, get in the game. Let's go. There you go. For first shot. Let's go. Let's go, Blue.
Take it in.
There you go. Rebound, Blue. Stay on him. Stop the ball. Okay, slow it down a little bit. There we go. Push, Blue. Yeah, JT. Push it up. Let's go. No. Bring it in.
That was too late. It was there and then it was too late.